Case name Manu, age is 28 years, and today date is 17th of September 2024. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
So I have a high pitch problem. That's why I've come here to Sanjay sir.
So what challenges you are facing in day-to-day life when you are talking?
I just feel like if I have a deeper voice, I'll be more confident while talking to other people. So it's basically related to my confidence.
Post-therapy video of Manu, and today date is 24 September 2024. So I want speech sample after treatments. Why you came here?
Hi, my name is Manu and I work here in Bangalore. I'm from Delhi. I had a high-pitch voice problem, and now after the treatment, I think the problem has gone. That's why I had come to Dr. Sanjay.
And what are the reactions you are getting on the phone call?
So my phone call, people used to get a little confused if that's a male or a female. Now I think they are not going to get confused.
Okay, and tell about your education, like what you do and the career and profession.
So I have a bachelor's and master's in mathematics, and I'm a data scientist. I'm in corporate. With this voice, I think I'll be able to be more successful in my career.
So have you spoken to anyone today after treatment?
Yes.
What was the reaction, first reaction?
Their reaction was, what has happened, and there is some change in my voice, they said.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah. Yes.
Any message you want to give to the people having similar problem?
People who are watching this video, you should definitely consider coming here. All of the exercises and all the routine that Dr. Sanjay is going to tell you is going to help you a lot.
Thanks for giving the permission, and those who are watching this video, and thanks for your message to the people. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place. Thanks for watching.